Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Renegade tail lights. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. You'll begin by opening the tailgate to access the cargo area. Inside, you'll find a small access panel that needs to be carefully removed. For this task, you will primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver might also be helpful. Once the access panel is off, look inside the opening to locate the main retaining bolt. This is typically a single, large wing nut designed for hand loosening. If it's a bit stubborn, you can use a 10mm socket or a flathead screwdriver to help turn it counterclockwise. Carefully remove this bolt and set it aside in a safe place. With the retaining bolt removed, the tail light assembly is now ready to be pulled free. It's held in place by a few friction clips or pegs, so give it a firm, straight pull directly away from the vehicle. If it's a bit tight, a plastic pry tool can assist in gently loosening the edges. Once the assembly is partially out, locate the electrical connector, press its release tab, and carefully unplug it. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, ensure the electrical connector is securely plugged back into the tail light assembly. Then, carefully align the assemblies locating pegs with the corresponding holes on the vehicle's body. Push the tail light assembly firmly into place until it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the single retaining bolt and replace the interior access panel. Test your lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.